Welcome to M365 Professional. Hi, I'm Puskar from Customer Service Team at M365 Pros. If you receive a notice in the mail that one of your subscription is about to expire, do not panic. This is a very easy crisis to add with a few simple steps. First, begin by logging on to account at Microsoft.com using your Microsoft account. What is your Microsoft account? It is either your email, phone number, or your alias that you access one of our many services. For example, if it's your email, it could be Outlook.com, Gmail.com, or Yahoo.com. Enter your Microsoft account, enter your password, and sign into your account. Once you signed in, click on Services and Subscriptions and locate your soon-to-expire subscription. It looks like your Xbox Live Gold account is about to expire. Click on Turn on Auto Renew. Voila, you're all set. To learn more about managing your subscription, visit our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.